Door replacement is a popular home improvement project in Palmetto Bay, offering enhanced aesthetics, energy efficiency, and security. However, homeowners often make mistakes during the process that can lead to unnecessary expenses, delays, or disappointing results. By being aware of these common pitfalls, you can ensure a smoother and more successful door replacement project. Here's what to watch out for. Neglecting to measure properly. One of the most common mistakes homeowners make is failing to take accurate measurements of their door frames. Without precise dimensions, you risk purchasing a door that doesn't fit correctly, leading to costly modifications or returns. Solution: measure the height, width, and depth of your current door and frame at multiple points to account for any irregularities. If you're unsure, enlist the help of a professional to ensure accuracy. Ignoring energy efficiency. In Palmetto Bay's warm climate, energy efficiency should be a top priority. Many homeowners focus solely on the door's appearance and overlook its thermal performance. This can result in higher energy bills and an uncomfortable indoor environment. Solution: choose doors with high insulation values, such as those made from fiberglass or steel with foam cores. Look for models with ENERGY STAR certification to guarantee superior energy efficiency. Overlooking building codes and WA regulations. Palmetto Bay has specific building codes, and many neighborhoods have homeowner association (WA) guidelines that must be followed. Failing to comply can result in fines or the need to redo the installation. Solution: before purchasing a new door, check local codes and WA regulations. Ensure your chosen door's style, color, and material align with these requirements. DIY installation without proper skills. Replacing a door might seem like a straightforward DIY project, but it's more complex than it appears. Improper installation can lead to misaligned doors, drafts, or compromised security. Solution: hire a licensed and experienced contractor who specializes in door installation. They will have the tools and expertise to ensure the door fits perfectly and functions properly. Choosing the wrong material. Different door materials offer varying levels of durability, security, and maintenance requirements. Choosing the wrong material for Palmetto Bay's humid and coastal environment can lead to premature wear and tear. Solution: consider weather-resistant materials like fiberglass or steel, which can withstand high humidity and salty air better than traditional wood doors. While wood is elegant, it requires regular maintenance to prevent warping or rotting. Focusing solely on price. While it's tempting to go for the cheapest option, focusing solely on price can backfire. Low-quality doors might save money up front but could cost more in the long run due to frequent repairs or replacements. Solution: invest in a high-quality door from a reputable manufacturer. While the initial cost may be higher, you'll benefit from better durability, energy savings, and long-term value. Forgetting about hardware and accessories. Many homeowners focus entirely on the door itself and forget about the hardware, such as locks, handles, and hinges. Incompatible or low-quality hardware can detract from the door's functionality and security. Solution: choose high-quality hardware that complements your door's design and provides reliable security. Smart locks and weatherproof hinges are excellent choices for modern homes. Ignoring maintenance requirements. Every door material has specific maintenance needs. Failing to understand and plan for these requirements can lead to premature wear and affect your door's performance and appearance. Solution: research the care instructions for your chosen door material. For example, wood doors may need regular refinishing, while fiberglass and steel doors typically require only occasional cleaning. Underestimating the role of weather stripping. Weather stripping is crucial for energy efficiency and keeping out drafts, moisture, and pests. Many homeowners neglect this step or use subpar materials. Solution: install high-quality weather stripping during the door replacement process. This small detail can make a significant difference in comfort and energy savings. Not considering professional advice. Some homeowners rely solely on online research and neglect to consult professionals. This can lead to poor choices in materials, designs, or installation techniques. Solution: work with a professional who understands the unique needs of Palmetto Bay homes. They can guide you in selecting a door that suits your home's style, climate, and security requirements. Conclusion: replacing a door in Palmetto Bay can enhance your home's curb appeal, security, and energy efficiency, but only if done correctly. Avoid these common mistakes by planning carefully, prioritizing quality, and consulting experts. With the right approach, you'll enjoy a door that enhances your home for years to come.